is Simon Adaki. I'm going to demonstrate that the computer I'm using is actually mine. So welcome again. So I go to settings. Okay. So settings, I go to accounts. So as I said, my name is Simon Adaki. That is. Then the Microsoft account is simonadaki@outlook.com, and actually I'm the administrator of this laptop. So next I'm going to demonstrate that actually I installed Android Studio. So I'm going to search Android Studio, and there it is. So give it some few seconds. Okay, there it is. So as I said, the name of my app is mkulimamate. So there it is. Okay, mkulimamate. Okay, that's mkulimamate, and that's my project. So this is my project com.example.mkulimamate, and it has all these files. So I'm going to demonstrate each of these files. Okay, I'll start with the main activity. So in the main activity, I used Jetpack composables. This is the main class activity. So okay, that is my first composable for home screen. And then I also have a second composable for farmer registration. And then the next composable is for the farmers list. And then I have the next composable for the farmer details. And then also have the next composable is for the peak location. And then we have the next composable is for, I said peak location. And then next composable is for the weather. And then I have the next composable is for the suppliers. And then I have the next composable is for the crop list. Yeah. So that's the main activity, main file. The next I'm going to demonstrate that these actually I used room database for my project. So I have the database for the crop, which is the file for the file for this database is here. Is a crop DAO, that is the file for the database. Yes. Okay. So in my database I have this is the data class for crop. I have this ID, name, type, notes, and farm ID. Those are my fields in the database. Then also I have this is another file for the database. This is the app database. Just okay. And then also I have another file for the database for the farmer. That one was the crop, this one for the farmer. So that is the farmer and the database for the farmer. So also we have yeah, that's my database. As I said, I used room database. Then also have these other files, the supporting files, home screen. My home screen is right here. My home screen is right here. This is my home screen. Actually, my home screen is just it contains is the first menu when you open my app. It contains the dashboard, and it has all those menu items. So in these are menu items, and it contains the menu items and the icons of the home screen. As you can see here, we have the dashboard item, register farmer, icon field, personal ID, personal ad, like that. Then I used also the lazy vertical grid, the lazy columns. Here we have the code here to demonstrate that I used lazy columns. Okay. Then these are the imports for the home screen. Then I have the composable. I also use this composable in this file. They are composable for the home screen. Okay. Then I'm going also to demonstrate. The farmer registration screen. So in the farmer registration screen, I created a composable for the farmer composable. Here it is. And then that's just the code. Okay. I also used these columns, and I integrated also the card just to integrate all those items. And I used an outline text field. Then also used buttons. Actually to save the farmer, I used buttons. Okay. Now next I'm going to demonstrate farmer details screen. That is this is the file for the farmer's details. Okay, I created a composable for the farmer details. I have the farmer ID, then you have the crop view model, like that. Okay. I also used columns in this screen. Actually, I used lazy columns in this screen. And to demonstrate the location picker screen. Actually, we will just pick the location where the farmer is while in the Trans Nzoia County, or where the specific location for the farmer. So I use a composable for the location of the farmer. So we have the town, so it's supposed to pick that a specific town or location within Trans Nzoia County, and it's a drop down menu. So I also used columns, and it's used columns. Then I also used outlined text field. This is a screen. Okay, there is as I said, it's a drop down here. Okay, then a drop down here. And then going to demonstrate market price. So market price screen is a database file. In the data class with this, then you have the crop string, then the price also has a string. Okay. Okay. Then farmers list screen. Farmers list, this is just a list of the farmers. Actually is a main item, so is a list of the list of the farmer. After we register the farmer, you have to view the list of the farmers. So I also created a composable for that farmer list screen. Then I used also lazy columns, and I just use a card just to put everything together. Then I also have the buttons here to say if you want to view the list of the farmers, just click the button, then you can edit, you can delete, like that. Okay, that's all, and that's my capstone project, mkulimamate for Trans Nzoia County. Thank you.